Welcome back to StoryTime Kids instructional video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Bonnie, and today we're going to construct a frog toss game. Catch the bug in the frog. What you'll need is a kit from the library, glue stick, tape, a marker of some kind, and a pair of scissors. Go ahead and stop the video. Begin again after you've collected your supplies. In your kit from the library, you should have some pre-printed frog legs, pre-formed frog body, some string or yarn, some ladybugs, some white stickers, and a couple of fun foam pieces. Let's begin. If you choose to have your ladybugs colored in, now would be the time to go ahead and take care of that. Now, the next thing we want to do is probably go ahead and cut our frog legs out. Color your ladybug and cut your frog legs out. Once your ladybugs are colored or uncolored, whatever you prefer, go ahead and carefully cut around them also. You want to cut around both of them, one for each side of our fun foam pieces. They'll actually fit on like this. Okay. So now we'll take our frog body, back on the bottom half where the staples are. If you carefully open that up, there's a space in between the staples. If you open that up, we're going to stick our string through there this way. I'm going to pull that through far enough that you can take a piece of tape and attach the string to the side of the wall of the frog. So it's attached like that. Okay, next, let's go ahead on the end of our string. Let's attach our fun foam pieces. You want these pieces to be back to back. That's where your ladybug's going to go. Okay, so they're back to back together like that. If you want to, now you could go ahead and glue your ladybug on. One piece for each side. Of course, it'll look a lot nicer if you've colored yours in. I think the next part I want to get ready is to maybe get my frog eyes ready. You want to take your white stickers and color in part of the eye with your marker. I'm just doing like a portion of the bottom part of it. But you can color your eyes in any way you'd like. You could make them any color you'd like too. Whatever color marker you have is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and attach my eyes now. One here. One over here. I think the next thing we need to do is attach our frog legs. The longer legs, the ones that are a little bit bigger, I put those in the back of my frog. You may want to try out where you want to put your legs. Kind of arrange them something like this. Once you have them the way you want them, or where you think you want them, go ahead and glue them on to the back of the frog. You want to hold them for just a little bit till that glue starts to hold. Once it's dried completely, you have made your frog bug catcher, your bug catching frog. Go ahead and give it a try, see if you can catch that. Oh, almost caught her. See if you can catch the ladybug in your frog mouth. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy playing with your frog. Always make sure that you clean up after yourself, put your tools away. Thank you. A few of the frog books that we have at the Independence Public Library are Fine as We Are by L.G. Craig Hall, Leap by John Arno Lawson, The Frog Prince Saves Sleeping Beauty by Charlotte Julian, and Surf's Up by Kwame Alexander. We do hope you come to the library soon. We hope to see you then.